Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If your emails are not receiving on your Mac, the mail app is not syncing or new emails are not showing up, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best solutions to fix email receiving problems on Mac step by step. So let's get started. Method 1. Check internet connection. First of all, make sure your Mac is connected to the internet properly because mail cannot receive emails without a stable connection. Open Safari or Chrome. Try opening any website. If websites are not loading, turn Wi-Fi off and on again, restart your router or reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Once the internet starts working properly, open the Mail app and check again. Method 2. Refresh the Mail app manually. Sometimes the Mail app simply stops syncing automatically. Open the Mail app. From the top menu, click Mailbox. Get all new mail. This forces the Mail app to check for new emails immediately. If emails start appearing, then the issue was just a sync problem. Method 3. Disable and re-enable the mail account. This is one of the most effective fixes for syncing issue. Open System Settings. Find and tap on Internet Accounts. Select your email account. Turn off the mail option. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it on again. Now reopen the Mail app. This refreshes the account connection and often fixes receiving problems instantly. Method 4. Remove and add the email account again. If nothing works, re-adding the account usually fixes corrupted sync settings. Click on the Apple menu and go to System Settings. Find and tap on Internet Accounts. Select your email account. Click Delete Account. Now restart your Mac. After restart, go back to Internet Accounts. Click Add Account and sign in again with your email. Once the setup is complete, the Mail app should start receiving emails normally again. So guys, these were the best methods to fix emails not receiving on Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.